Oh, for cricket tragics like myself, it's a special day. It's the first day of the cricketing summer. Australia v the West Indies Test match commences today. But when you talk cricketing tragics, they don't get much more tragic than this man. He's on his way to Australia, not for the first day of this Test series, but on day one of England's Ashes defence, more than a year away.
When we pass it around, if you just speak into it like that, so that I can remember for my diary. Yeah? Okay.
What do you want to do?
Just say like, I'm Vladimir, I'm the self-appointed General Secretary, or whatever you want, yeah. And I'm a right-arm seamer and I got run out today. Don't press any buttons, just speak into it.
I'm Vladimir. I'm General Secretary of the Serbian of the Serbian Cricket Federation. I'm opening batsman of my club.
Hi, I'm Rajat Tara, and I'm visiting Serbia, and I'm very honored to play cricket here and really enjoying my cricket experience.
How did you find cricket?
And it was really nice to see the guys improve. You know, I'm from India, let me clear that. And it was great bowling to Olli and batting to his bowling. And it was great fun. And I wish I'd had the rakia before going in for a bat. I'm sure I would have scored more.
Belgrade cricket.
Yeah,
thank you very much. Good man. Thanks a lot.
Olli Broom joins me. Olli, how are you, sir?
I'm very good, thanks.
Now, most people hearing that you're keen to be here a year from now from the cricket think, okay, we'll settle down, just hop a plane about 11 months from now and everything will be good. You're going about it a little bit differently, sir, aren't you?
I am indeed, yeah, I am. My plan was to cycle from London to the Ashes, so to Brisbane, for I think it's November 25th next year. So that's what I'm doing.
You've certainly left yourself enough time to get here. How does one cycle from Lords to the Brisbane Cricket Ground?
So far, I've done 9 countries so far. I counted today. I've gone through sort of like Europe and down. I'm in Serbia. I'm in Belgrade at the moment, and then I head from Belgrade down to Istanbul, and I'm actually going down Africa. So I'm going down through Egypt and Sudan and Ethiopia and Kenya. And then I'm getting a boat to India. I'm in India during the IPL, and then I'm going down across India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, down to Darwin, and then I'm cycling to Brisbane.
I always recommend that anyone trying to get from London to Sydney go through Sudan and Laos. I mean, you're doing yourself a disservice to miss out on those two tourist fun spots.
Definitely, yeah, definitely. Cricket hotspots as well, apparently. Maybe not.
Now, spreading the message of cricket is part of your mission on this journey. You want to teach and play cricket in as many countries as you can on the way.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I've just been today. I've been playing cricket with the Belgrade Cricket Association guys. I've just been having a celebratory drink afterwards with them as well. It's fantastic.
How does the Belgrade Cricket Association go, Ollie?
It was great fun. We played on like a path in the park in the old fort in the middle of the town. We had, I think there was about 25 of us, and it was probably probably about 15 locals, and then about 10 expats, and it was really cool. It was fantastic, and they love it. They're just sort of starting out, and it was really good fun.
There's a serious side, isn't there? You're doing this inspired by a mate of yours.
Yeah, one of the charities I'm raising money for is the BNRT, the British Neurological Research Trust, and they do loads of research into spinal injuries. A friend of mine, a few years ago, had a nasty accident, and he does a lot of work and support for them, so I thought I'd raise money for them. And then the other charity is the Lord's Taverners, sort of a cricket charity, both UK based, and trying to raise £100,000 for them, yeah.
Does the cricket, once you get here, become almost incidental, or is it even more important to you that England hold on to the Ashes?
The cricket is not incidental. I'm really looking forward to it, but the main thing is the journey and just having fun and finding out about cricket in these random places that I didn't think it was ever played. So it's really cool.
We will speak to you then. Lovely to speak to you, Olli Broom. Best of luck in your travels.
Cheers, mate.